Find the exact value for a tangent of pi over 12 using the half angle identity. So the tangent of pi over 12 is not on the unit circle, but it is half of an angle that is on the unit circle. Pi over 12 is half of what? Pi over 6. So to figure it out, if you multiplied pi over 12 by 2, you would get pi over 6. So we have three formulas for the tangent of a half angle. Which one should we completely avoid like the plague? Say the first one. The first one, good. It's got radicals. The other two don't have radicals. These two are better. Now, trick question. Which of these two should we use? There is one that's better than the other. Huh? We have a vote for the middle one and then the bottom one, which is good because that's all the options we have. I'm going to say this one, and you'll see why when we're doing it. So all the x's in this formula, which let me write here, all the x's in this formula will become pi over 6's. So we're going to say this equals 1 minus the cosine, I like color coordination, of pi over 6, this is fun, over the sine of, you guys wish you had one, pi over 6. Thank you, taxpayer money. What is the cosine of pi over 6? 3, 2, 1. Good. Next week I will be installing, how do you say, explosive devices in everyone's chair? So that if you don't answer in time. Actually, what I was going to do is use tasers. What is the sine of pi over 6? 1/2. So the reason I picked the last one and not the second one is because I knew ahead of time that the cosine of pi over 6 was going to involve a radical 3 over 2, which would have meant that we'd have to rationalize the denominator. So on top of having fractions in our fraction, which no matter what you're going to do, you're going to have, but we'd have the extra work of having to rationalize. So that's why I picked the third one. Is that okay? Okay. So this is a complex fraction, which we multiply everything by 2. Class, 2 times 1. Good. Minus all over 1. So I'm not going to write it. There you go. 2 minus the square root of 3. Awesome.